brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Muconyl expectorant syrup. Has 1.5 mg of terbutaline sulfate in every 5 ml of the liquid and 66.5 milligrams of guaifenesin in every 5 milliliter of the syrup. This is made by BH Barrett Hudson, Pakistan, and the price for the bottle is 42 rupees. Guaifenesin is used to treat coughs and congestion caused by the common cold, bronchitis, and other breathing issues. This product is usually not used for ongoing cough from smoking or long-term breathing problems unless directed by your doctor. Guaifenesin is an expectorant. It works by thinning and loosening mucus in the airways, clearing congestion and making breathing easier. If you are self-treating with this medication, it is important to read the package instructions carefully. Cold and cough products have not been shown to be safe or effective in children under 6 years. But this cough syrup can be used in children and adults. For child who is under 3 years, half a teaspoon, and for child who is between 3 and 5 years, 1 teaspoon, and if the child is 6 to 12 years, 1.5 teaspoon, and if the child is over 12 years, 1 tablespoonful. And this dosage can be repeated 3 times in 24 hours. The syrup is unsafe for pregnant women and breastfeeding mothers, so take caution if you're using take advice from your doctor if you really need to use Muconyl during your pregnancy. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.